guys, welcome to Shopaholics AM PM and we are back again. So today we have another unboxing for you, which is Casio G-Shock digital watch. Let's open the box. So I'll keep this box aside. Let me see what else did we get. Okay, so we have warranty card. Guys, this comes with a 2 years of warranty. Now let's open the box. So this is the manual. Yes. So yes guys, this is the watch. The band finish is like what you get to see on your denim. This is fiber, but yes guys, this is the watch. And let's quickly have a look at the buttons. There are 2 buttons here and 2 here. This is A, B, C, D. So if I press button A, you can see the seconds are blinking, so you can actually select it from here, and you can set the time with B button. Yes, and with C button you can see different modes. This is alarm, this is timer, and then you have stopwatch, and you are back to the time again. And the D button that you can see, this is for the light. So guys, also this is water resistant. You can take it inside the water up to 200 meters. And now let me see how this looks. Yes guys, this actually looks very trendy, nice, sporty watch. As I mentioned, the strap finish is like what you get to see in, on your denim. So this will actually go complement your denim wear. So yes guys, this was the unboxing today for the Casio G-Shock digital watch. We'll be back soon with another unboxing. Till then, keep watching our videos, hit the like button and share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, that is Shopaholics AM PM.